In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow sites to access your camera and microphone in Google Chrome. If you use video calls, voice recording, or any site that needs audio and video, this quick setup will make sure your browser asks for permission the right way while keeping your privacy in mind. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking to the top right corner for the three-dot menu. This is your main control center for Chrome's settings. Click it, and then choose Settings. The Settings page will open in a new tab so you can keep browsing while you adjust things. On the left side of the Settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome groups all your safety and permission controls. Next, select Site Settings. Site Settings lets you decide what websites can do, like showing notifications, accessing your location, and in our case, using your camera and microphone. Under the Permissions section, click Camera or Microphone. You'll configure these separately, and you can repeat the same adjustments for both. Here, you'll see your default permission options. If you choose Sites can ask to use your camera or microphone, Chrome will prompt you whenever a site wants access, so you can approve or deny in the moment. This is the safest, most flexible choice for most people. If you choose Allow, you're granting permission more broadly, which can be convenient but is best used only if you're comfortable with that level of access. If you prefer tighter control, choose the option that blocks sites from using your camera or microphone, and then allow only specific sites as needed. On the same page, you can manage site-by-site permissions. You'll see lists of sites that are allowed or blocked. To fine-tune these, click Add to include a website you trust, or use the delete icon next to a site to remove it. Removing a site's entry is useful if something isn't working properly.